I think one of the things that newsrooms should be paying attention to is not necessarily making creations in AR or in VR, but thinking about how people are going to consume their content using this new media. You still have to go to things and report on things and have your facts straight. And you still have to have people who are talking and communicating and people who are writing. To me, it's really more about the interface. What does it look like? And how can you present it in an XR environment? With AR, I think that we're not quite to that point where we've figured out, oh, this is the thing that's going to work really well. This is the thing that everyone's going to want to do. This is how we make content in AR, and this is how people will consume content in AR. Because once we get to that point, it's going to take a while for us to solve the problems. I'm not sure we know what the problems are yet. There are multiple platforms for building in augmented reality right now. Google has one for Android called AR Core. Apple has one for iOS, which is called AR Kit. And there are also some just sort of miscellaneous platforms out there that you can build experiences with. The one that I'm familiar with is called ZapWorks. It's basically WYSIWYG, which means you can just drag and drop objects onto developer pane. So say you want an image to launch when you point your phone at this symbol. You get a little, basically like a QR code. It's a little more complicated than that, but it's basically a QR code. You can stick it anywhere, and if someone points their phone at that and they have the ZapWorks app on there, they'll be able to launch the thing you made, which is great. Outfits like ZapWorks are doing really interesting work because they're bringing the tools to very mainstream customers. If you want to be on the cutting edge of understanding how to use immersive content in your newsroom, start with what you've got and let it evolve, and you start doing some research. And you need to have people who are out looking and saying, what are the tools as they come? Because I can tell you, as someone who covers this market, if you sleep for a week, something's changed.